Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw marketing leads from Facebook lead ads into Airtable step by step clearly. To withdraw marketing leads from Facebook lead ads into Airtable, start by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager. Navigate to the campaign containing the lead ads you want to export. Select the specific ad set that contains the leads you need. Click on the Forms option within the selected ad set. Choose the form that has collected your leads. Click on Responses to view the leads generated from the form. Now, export the leads by clicking on the Download button. Select your preferred file format, such as CSV, to download the lead data to your device. Once the download is complete, open Airtable in a new browser tab. Log into your Airtable account or create a new account if you don't have one. Create a new base or select an existing base where you wish to import the leads. If creating a new base, choose an appropriate template or start from scratch. Click on the Add a Table option to set up a new table for your leads. Label the table with a name that describes its content, like Facebook leads. Define the necessary fields in the table to match the data collected from the lead ads. Common fields include name, email, phone number, and any custom questions from your form. Return to the downloaded CSV file and open it in Excel or Google Sheets to review the data. Make any necessary adjustments or formatting changes to ensure compatibility with Airtable. Once you have reviewed the CSV file, return to Airtable. Click on the plus Add a View option in your new table. Select the Import option from the drop-down menu. Choose the CSV file you downloaded from Facebook lead ads. Map the columns in the CSV to the respective fields in your Airtable table. Make sure all fields align correctly to ensure the data imports accurately. Complete the import process by clicking on the Import button. Check your table to ensure all leads have been imported successfully. You can now utilize Airtable's features to further manage and analyze your leads. Consider setting up automation to regularly import future leads. This will save you time and ensure all collected data is centralized in Airtable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.